Welcome to DOWSIL Beauty Care Formulation tutorial. My name is Jada Tonet and I'm a Senior Lab Specialist at DOWSIL. Today, I will show you how to formulate with DOWSIL EL-Tips Silicone Elastomer brand. We designed this product to enable brands to develop cosmetic products with high content of natural and derived natural ingredients, while of course providing a rich and smooth afterfeel. This colorless and clear gel, high solid silicone elastomer content, is dispersed in a C13-15 alkane, a renewable source carrier which enables high compatibility with organic derivatives. This product is designed to be part of the oil or silicone phase of your formulation. We recommend to incorporate the oils into the DOWSIL EL-Tips Silicone Elastomer blend using a simple mixing to achieve a uniform dispersion. For ease of use, its initial viscosity can be decreased by incorporating low viscosity fluids. All the compatibilities are available on our website or through your DOW contacts.
We have leveraged DOW's formulation expertise to develop an ingredient that supports a large variety of different formats.
Depending on the formulation you would like to develop, we recommend the use from 6% to 70%. This perfume gel formulation, namely Infusion, contains 67% of the DOWSIL EL-Tips Silicone Elastomer blend, whereas this Planet formulation contains only 17% of it. If you have more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We'll be glad to help you.